Hey you guys, what's up? It's Alex from the blog and YouTube channel Alexandria Paris. I'm here to do another Tesla video for you guys today. So as a lot of you know, my husband and I have had our Model Y for about a month or so now. One of the first things we wanted to do when picking up our car was put on a screen protector. So if you are a new Tesla owner, I definitely would make this a priority. So the screen protector that we ordered was just one off of Amazon. So this one is a tempered glass protective film. We did watch a few other reviews on YouTube. It's pretty comparable to any of the other tempered glass screen protectors. The one thing we were debating between was whether or not we wanted to get one that was shiny or one that was matte. After again watching a few reviews and just talking about it, we still thought that we wanted to go ahead with the shiny one. Though I was very tempted to get the matte film just for the glare, we decided to go with the shiny because overall we thought that the picture was still going to be just as clear. Where with the matte one, on some reviews we did see that sometimes it is not the clearest coating to put on the touchscreen, so that's why we went with the shiny. So I'm just going to unbox this, show you guys what comes in the box, and then we'll get to installing it. So just opening it up here, there are a few things included. So first is the installation auxiliary tools. That's these packets here. And then there is also the step-by-step process on how to install it as well. I do also see that it does come with a little suction cup. And then last in the box is the tempered glass protector there. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is just clean off my screen here. Make sure that all those fingerprints are gone. In the packet there was an alcohol wipe. I do not think I'm going to use that. Just everything I've read on Tesla has basically been like, don't use any cleaning products on the screen. So that's the reason I'm not using that there. I'm just going to use that microfiber cloth that came with our Tesla to clean the screen. Okay, so I'm just going to open up this installation tools pack here. So located in this pack are some of these dust removal stickers. From what I understand, you simply just use the sticker and stick off any dust. So the next step is to take the screen protector, and of course I do not want to get any fingerprints on it, so I'm just going to use this cloth that came with the screen protector to take it out. So it does have some dust and stuff on the screen protector, as well as a fingerprint, it looks like. Okay, so now that I have the screen protector here, I'm gonna just put the suction cup up at the top middle. I had it over to the edge, but it doesn't feel very sturdy. I feel like holding it from the middle is going to make it a little bit easier. So now there is a tab here on the back, so I'm just going to pull that and take the backing off. I'm really nervous for this and I don't want to screw it up. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and try and line this up here. Obviously you don't want it to linger too long. Okay, so I stuck it on, and as you can see, that bubble is starting to make its way down the screen as it's suctioning onto the screen there. Alright, so it looks to be pretty good. I see like some marks, but I think that's on the outside and not on the inside. So now I'm just going to go ahead with my cloths and wipe it all down. I was a lot more nervous for that than I think I probably needed to be. So that looks pretty good, and then I think I can just take this right off. Okay, the one weird thing is after I've taken off the suction cup, there is like a round spot. I think you can see it there. There is a round spot from where that suction cup was. So I'm not really sure how that will disappear. Oh, there we go. I might just have to fish those bubbles up. There, they're gone. Okay, perfect. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So there you have it, you guys. It looks great. I don't see any bubbles really on here. It fits on perfectly. I would say there's like a little bit of gapping up around these edges, but I'm not concerned about that. I was so nervous for installing this. I was not sure how it was going to go or if I was going to mess it up. But if I can install it, I feel like anybody can install it. So that was definitely an easy process. Alright you guys, so there you have it. I have completely installed my screen protector on my Model Y screen. Again, I was so nervous for this. I thought it was going to be a lot more difficult than it was. As long as you clean the screen properly and line it up well, it does just simply suction on there. And then even if there are any bubbles trapped underneath, it's a pretty easy process just to kind of move it around till you get it to the edge of the screen and out. So overall, I am super excited with this process. Quick and easy, and again, if I can do it, anybody can do it. So please make sure this is on your checklist for one of the first things you do when you do receive your Tesla. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and share. As well, hit that subscribe button to the rest of my page. I'll keep bringing you Tesla videos as well as any of my other vlogging content. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.